Okay, so it's painted up. It's not the best job, but it's way better than it was. I've cleaned it out as best as I can. There's a little bit of rust on that little last piece, but I'm not going any further. I think it's clean enough. To get that out, I'd have to punch that little pin out at the bottom. But it's in there tight. And I think I'd do more harm than good trying to get it out. Here's the main parts. On these weights there's little shoes. They can fall off, so make sure you don't lose them because you'll need them for reassembly. Okay, this piece belongs. This bit is what that connects to. I've put a little wire casing, wire jacket in through the loop, and that will help not short out things, because that needs to be isolated. This is some kind of cleaner, don't know really what it does. I've cleaned the points up. There's the point on that side. Yeah, it's dirty around it, but it shouldn't be an issue. And that point is really clean. I just cleaned it down with a file. Okay, time to try and reassemble. These are the shoes that go on these feet, and they go into the weights. I think I may put a little bit of grease or something on it to hold them in place while I put them in. I also have the springs put back on them in place there. Okay, I have the shaft back on, and now I have to connect the springs to their levers. You can see the levers where they have to go. One there and one on the opposite side. And there's a little bolt there that I put back in. My number one point is halfway between here and this little cutout for the cap. Just gonna put back on the clamp.